Hello everyone, it's 20th February. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have Fortune and Future in AI, not fear, it's for global good, says Prime Minister. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have India set to join US-led Pax Silica today on sidelines of summit. Very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have double engine starts slowly. Then we have after promises on Yamuna roads and air work in progress on almost fronts. Then we have ISRO moved fire detection on go, ready for test in Rabi harvest season. Very important for agriculture perspective. Moving forward, we have the whole page dedicated to this India AI Impact Summit. All these news here are very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have budget to AI, same warning, implementation, not appearance is the key. Again, important for economic perspective. Then we have aerobatics in Pink City. Indian Air Force's aerobatic team Surya Kiran practice ahead of air show over the Jal Mahal in Jaipur on Thursday. Important for defense perspective. Then we have time lost in litigation case Arunachal Power Project, 11-year extension for green clearance. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have the economic page where we have production of rare earth magnets by year and government says government. Then we have the countries must own their AI destiny, open source and important tool says Minish. Then we have balance of AI tilted towards speed, not trust and inclusion. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have Indians' love for gold is weighing on the economy. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have Bihar has banned open sale of meat. Implementing it will be a challenge. Important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have why Andrew was finally had growing pressure over revelation. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Anthropic versus OpenAI behind the awkward clenched fist on AI summit stage. Again, important for science and tech perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.